James Bianca, and this is part 1 of my Cotswold travel diaries. As you may be able to tell from my accent, I am an American, and I can tell you that driving on the left is not as hard as I initially believed. By renting a car from Heathrow and leaving fairly early in the morning, plus the added assistance of soft music and a good friend, adapting became really easy. Bicester Village. This isn't an outlet filled with factory or diffusion versions of the brands we love. It's actually really high quality goods at exceptional prices. I only wish we had made it a priority to get there a little earlier, and I mean right when the doors open, so that we could dedicate a full day to this experience, which included things like shopping at Reiss, Holland Cooper, Ralph Lauren, Dior, and much more, as well as Jo Malone, The White Company, and Soho Home. For my beauty lovers, you will not be disappointed. There are plenty of shops for you as well, including my personal favorite, Elemis. The Double Red Duke was recommended to me the most out of all the places to visit in the Cotswolds. And with its charming decor, warming fires, and exceptional food, it is no wonder locals and travelers alike rave about this place. The fish and chips and the wood-fired chicken breast are both 2 dishes not to be missed. Soho Farmhouse may be one of the most charming places I have ever stayed. From the moment you enter the cabin, you are instantly transported into a cozy state of being. Small cabin, this place is stocked with everything you need, including dishware, a microwave oven, and a mini fridge stocked with beverages and complimentary milk, butter, and cheese. We are not going to talk about the fact that I tried to take that cheese with me back to the States. They also provide free sourdough bread and granola, and I will spare you the footage of me eating night buttered sourdough like a madwoman. As you turn the corner to enter the entire space, there's a king-size bed. I'm not sure if it's a super king, but it is definitely enough space for 2 human beings. There is a lounge area with a sofa and a coffee table, and a wood burner, which was my favorite feature in the entire space. The bathroom is also equipped with the regular features from the Soho House, which is a rain shower head and an assortment of cowshed products. And then at the vanity, you will always find an assortment of Soho skin products and other toiletries you might have forgotten when you packed, and a small water closet for, let's just say, meditational purposes and privacy. The other feature that I love is that these windows and doors wrap around the cabin space and open up to the patio. The patio then overlooks a babbling brook, which I will show you in tomorrow's video. After dinner at the cozy cabin, we gathered together as friends at another cabin and enjoyed the bar float, which was incredible. There was lots of cocktails and dancing for the entire evening.